I was a bit preoccupied with my shit right now, but then I got something. The packaging is very like large. So guys, this is, I don't know. Okay, now I'm just gonna start with the intro. Okay, so hi guys, I'm back on the channel. Now today we are opening this gun box. So whatever this thing is, it looks like it's very hard to open. And why did you give me a pocket knife, Dad? So exactly. Okay, this thing is okay. That feels weird. Whoa! Hey. Maybe that thing didn't fall, right? That's it. Get out anything yet. I think this is like a tripod, guys. I'm just gonna look at it. And my father's. So, guys, I think this is a tripod. Okay, how am I supposed to put this down now? Yeah. Yep, I think this is it. Put this right here. Why is it falling? So, guys, looks like this thing is now completed, I think. So my father is gonna put the camera and you guys are gonna see how good this thing looks. Dad, put the camera on it. Dad, seriously, bro. My dad hates showing himself on camera, so I'm just gonna flip it over for him so that he can put it.